As well,
I didn't let me bounce, you prick.
Oh, okay, cool.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
JJ's done race mode, bro.
Man's done.
I did a 3. I did a 3. Josh, if you do a 3, we're equal men.
What was that?
Someone should make a compilation of all the weird noises.
Yeah, it already exists. It came out today.
I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but 1 of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of G. I'm a different kind of G.
So at the start, you need to get a lot of them.
Oh, how have I
to
done
get
that?
momentum and speed and
There's
violence.
something wrong with me. There's actually something wrong with my head.
What?
You don't know what I'm doing here. This is.
It's got a big dent in it.
Wait, where's?
Brain.
Where can I get through here? Can I
This
get down
brings me
here?
back to the good old days of fucking raging over shit.
Yeah,
like this.
bro, this game.
No,
This game.
Oh my god, I can't get out. Why have I hit there?
Because you're an anal pagan.
I actually think I might be.
See, I was closer than you, Josh.
Nah, you.
Oh, no, that's too close now. That 14 fucked me.
Josh with the breathing.
I've been finished.
I was doing the creeping, and now I'm not creeping no more.
Sure. I'm not, yeah, I guess I am weird. But it says I'm not weird. I'm a mix of not. I'm up there.
Ethan, can you just read out the
Stabilt race, Medraw, Skona, Hot Osv, Core, Light Catch, Slip.
Oh, we got Coors Light.
Blue, Der, Ricketicket. Install Ninja, Strelva, Formin Palabi.
the Swedish audience is gonna love that one.
I know you guys are all like, oh, I did this first time, and I know it's probably very easy, but I'm struggling. All right, you're just gonna have to face it. I'm shit at games. Okay. Oh my god. Oh! I didn't move anything! That didn't even make sense. That wasn't English.
Was not the
Oh
one.
no.
You got it though.
You got
Yeah,
it.
it wasn't
How?
that difficult. It was just.
How did you do it?
First time.
Oh,
Yes,
the,
what the
the
fuck
mini
on it?
ball actually goes stupidly fast.
Oh fuck! I
think I
got
got
the
it.
BM of the century.
Mate,
no,
Simon
no,
actually
no,
just came, like, fully.
It was just a little bit of a voice crack.
Oh!
It wasn't
your
like that at
mum.
all.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Hey!
Please.
Oh, look at this.
I don't want, what was I making at this point? My throat hurts.
Yeah, what is this for?
You're right.
No!
And before I can just do it like this. Oh my god. How am I not make? Oh, okay. I actually need to go. Really? I have to go that whole way? That's a bit dumb. This is a bit far, isn't it? Considering if I fall, it's all over. What the? Done. 22. 22 seconds is good.
No,
Oh.
you can't do that way.
You not?
No.
Hi, Bez.
You sure? I feel like
Yeah.
it's got there for a reason.
Oh.
No, you couldn't.
Wait, why am I
Please,
getting
no.
seven?
No, you
I want to see what the yeah. That's what I was gonna say. Audience, do you want to see a golfer open lobby with collision on?
I was really excited then.
So you can either go
You see what I just did?
safer route.
Come over you. Oh my god! What the fuck? What?
WTF.
What was that?
Did you survive it, Josh?
I survived.
Oh, Vic. Oh.
Sit down. Be gentle.
Oh,
Sit down.
It's not a lyric.
Nice.
No.
Oh, Vic, it said be gentle.
Right.
I made a mistake.
Everyone said right though. Well, this is
Hold
not
up,
good.
hold up. What? It's not me, it's not me. That's not me.
Okay, no, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, this one.
Oh no!
This is horrible. Playlist. Transformer. Gauntlet 2. There are two kinds of people when it comes to achieving and maintaining high speeds in confined environments. There's the surgically precise plasma pilot and the maniac with his foot on the floor, quantum wedge. This time you're going to need to be both.
Ooh.
Transform. Transform. Plummet. Plummet 3. You might think this is just another fine opportunity to make sure welcome to the other stratosphere and really Okay.
Thanks for the intro, Simon.
You're welcome. I'll do it every day, all day.
Appreciate it.
Oh, so you can get it in that little. You actually
wanna
have
go
to
there?
get it, yeah. Vic, you banged it, to be fair.
Yeah, I did it too hard.
Or could I just like cross here?
Oh, you da!
You okay?
Oh, that's out of bounds.
That's a cool language.
In.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
I am.
Yourself.
Parachute
I'm
fast.
clearly am catching you.
I'm clearly am.
Bro, how?
Where are you going?
I don't know. I actually don't know where I'm going.
Where's?
Bro, I'm upside. How have you just? What?
Because you went upside down.
Go fucking this guy, like, leave me alone. No,
Just
dude,
one.
I've just gone from
Wow.
6th
Did I
to
win?
10th.
I did it on the
won.
bikes. I did it RVNA. I did the
Bike,
RVNA tactic and got him alone.
Fucking this guy, like, leave me alone.
Yeah, it's Jake, like from State Farm.
What? You,
Get
oh,
girls,
yeah,
but
you
the
got-
hooker said you paid for it.
Me and Rice in the
Me
house
and
are like
Rice in the
8
house are like
floors.
8 floors. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's the ad-libs, bro. The ad-libs. Oh no. Oh yeah. Got a hole in one.
What is happening?
Where my bowl is right now. It's just,
Oh, you actually hit it really sad. Not that. The hole.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh,
you're gonna get in on that.
No, he's not.
I'm ancient in a jungle and I'm back.
It's like a monkey in a
So
jungle.
I
everything
rate that
ancient is a
theme
monkey.
The comeback.
Stop! Oh my
They're
god.
weird, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh
They're
shit.
Weird.
Oh no.
Like Toby bang. Like,
Oh no, I don't like this. This is fecky.
How did I?
Hey, hey,
You need to.
I'm taking the piss.
Come on.
Oh, I didn't go down the.
Oh no.
I'm finished. Wow, dude.
Okay, I'll pass that.
Wait, can I like cheat the system?
No, what's just going on?
I
Wait,
thought that.
So where's the hole?
He turned him to jump
Dick.
up to Gollum real quick.
Dick. Ethan, pull the dick out and introduce it.
Oh, I'm actually knackered.
Yeah.
You're knackered yet. You're gonna stay up till like 7 AM today.
That's the plan, mate. Or I try and sneak in a little nap. Or
He's making me yawn now.
yeah, or I might just have some filthy.
No, what are
To
you
be fair,
doing?
though, I think it's because I haven't eaten today, so like I actually have no energy, so I'm knackered. I'll probably go downstairs, get some golden vegetable rice, and then be living life again.
Eat a banana,
No.
right?
I'll have,
Eat a massive dick.
I'll have golden vegetable rice, Uncle Ben's mate.
Eat a dick.
Oh, so you ate that.